In this question, we have a 5-meter ladder leaning against a vertical wall. The base of the ladder is on horizontal ground, 1.8 meters from the base of the wall. And the question is asking us, how far up the wall does the ladder reach? Well, as you know, I like to start with a quick sketch, and we'll start with the wall. We have horizontal ground, and there is my ladder. Now the ladder is 5 meters long, and the base of the ladder is 1.8 meters from the foot of that wall. Now because the ground is horizontal and the wall is vertical, we do have a right angle. And hopefully you can see we have a right angle triangle here. So let's pull that triangle across to one side, and we'll mark in what we know. Well, we know the hypotenuse is 5 meters, that's the ladder. And we have 1.8 meters on the base. And what we're trying to find is the height of the ladder. So let's call that h. So h is the distance that the ladder will reach up the wall. Now because we have a right angle triangle, we can use Pythagoras Theorem, and we start with h squared equals. Now because we're not finding the hypotenuse, we start with the hypotenuse on the right hand side, and that's going to be 5 squared. Minus the other side, so minus 1.8 squared. Just continuing on, we've got h squared equals 25 minus 3.24. So h squared is 21.76. So we have that h is the square root of 21.76. And this is where you take your calculator and find that value. I've gone ahead and done that, and I got an answer of 4.66476, etc. Now I'm going to round my answer to 1 decimal place, and by doing that I get an answer of 4.7 meters, correct to 1 decimal place. Now we should actually finish this question with a sentence. So the ladder reaches 4.7 meters, and that's to 1 decimal place, up the wall.